G'day everyone, Michelle J. Raymond here. I was asked by a client, how can I get a list of all of my LinkedIn followers to be able to use it off LinkedIn? The answer is you can't easily. And the reason you can't is think about this. For those, few percent of people that are always going to wreck it for everybody, what would happen? They would jump onto LinkedIn, they would extract all of these lists, they would connect with as many people as possible, and there would be spam coming out of everywhere. And none of us needs any more of that. Is there a way that you can do it? Yes. Are there other tools out there that will allow you to do it that are against the user agreement? Absolutely. This video isn't for you if you're looking for those kind of answers, but I do have one workaround. It's a little bit manual, but it's better than nothing, right? I'm going to show you how you can download a full list of your LinkedIn connections into a CSV file, which then you can manipulate within Excel, use it however you want, but it's got limited information. So don't go getting too excited. When it comes to LinkedIn, we can see that we've got our followers down the bottom here, just under the photo, but that's not where I want you to click to be able to get it. It seems like it would be the most obvious place, but that is not the secret way. The other way that people would often look for connections is to go up onto my network. And then over on the left-hand side, you can see you've got connections here. Again, yes, you can go through this and search with filters and have a look at recently added. There's a few different ways, but that is not how you get this information off LinkedIn. How is it, Michelle, that you get this information? I can hear you saying, first of all, what you're going to do, click up on me on your little photo, go down to settings and privacy. Bet you didn't guess that one. And down on the left-hand menu, we have data privacy. LinkedIn keeps a record of pretty much everything that you do on the platform. And they do that for privacy reasons. I'm sure if anything went legal, they could always pull it back out, but it's your data and you own it. Click over here in this right-hand menu to get a copy of your data. And you can see here that what we've got is some options. Now, I've already ticked connections because I did the old, here's something I prepared earlier so that I could show you the list. But you can click on any one of these or all of these just to see a copy of what LinkedIn's keeping for you. The one that we want today is going to be connections. But what I also recommend for everybody, if you haven't done it, is always request a full download from time to time. The reason being, if something ever happened to your account, you had to start again, you've always got a copy of things like your connections that you can come back and work on. But for today, what we're going to do, we want something particular, we want connections, and we're going to request archive. This is the part where I'd play you some lovely on-hold music, da-da-da-da-da-da-da, while LinkedIn works on generating that request. It will take around 10 minutes in this particular case, and you will receive an email notification to let you know that the archive is ready for you to download. This is the email that I received, and you can see that it has a link on there to say if I want the information to go and download that link. It's going to run off and it's going to take us back to LinkedIn again. Once it's completed, it'll actually bring you back to this screen where you'll be able to download. Now, because I've done it earlier so that I could show you what the download is, you'll have to use your imaginations here, but it's really simple. It'll say just download. There's nothing more to it as far as that goes. Let's have a look at the CSV file, which I received, which is a list of all of my connections. When we open up the file, it looks like this. You have got access to first name, last name, email addresses if someone's given permission, the company name, the position, and the date that you connected. The cool part about this is you can sort by different fields. And so if you were targeting a particular client, then you could sort by company and look for names that match up with the companies that you're targeting. The same thing goes that you can go to the date. You might want to have a look at recent connections or some of your older ones. First name, last name, you've got all of these. What I discovered, which was really cool when I went down to the bottom, just a fun fact here, is that my mum was the first person that I ever connected to on LinkedIn. As you can see, you've got a list, you can manipulate it, sort it, just the same way that you would always do with any other Excel files. You could highlight the text, go up here, click on sort, custom sort, whatever one. and sort things from A to Z, or whichever way that you would like to do. It's all pretty simple, but it's limited information. Use this list wisely. It's a great way that you can narrow in your focus. I would also use it to go and remove connections with people that you know aren't active on LinkedIn. They're not helping you. What's happening is your content, a portion of it will get shown to people who are not going to ever engage. For me, I had a change of industry, so I've cleaned out some of the people that will not be after my services. Lots I keep. It's okay if they're not going to be ideal clients. Quite often I get referrals from people that I never expected. So this is how you do it. All I ask is that you use it wisely, use it to help you grow your business, use it to keep a track of potential accounts that you want to do business with. I know some people use like a traffic light system. So those that are green for current clients, amber for potential clients, and red for don't bother putting some time into these accounts. Hope this has helped. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear your feedback. If this has helped, let me know in the comments. And most of all, if we're not connected on LinkedIn, make sure you come across and reach out and let me know that you watched this video. Cheers.